Welcome students, this is second part of third chapter of Applied Science Chemistry. Course code is 22202. Our today's topic is solid fuel, coal. It is black carbonaceous matter which is formed as a result of alteration of vegetable matter. Coal, it is ultimate product of slow decomposition of vegetable matter. This process of transformation of vegetable matter into coal, it is known as coalification, or it is also known as alteration. This question is always asked in examination. Coal, it is mainly constitutes carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Then what are the uses of coal? It is used as industrial fuel for heating furnaces and boilers. That means for steam generation in boiler. In many metallurgical operations, in the manufacturing of synthetic petrol, then in manufacturing of fuel gases like coal gas, water gas and producer gas. These are the uses of coal. Then how coal is formed? First peat coal is formed. This is the first form. Then lignite, then bituminous and then anthracite. These are the four different types of coal. Coal formation. Coal at successive stages of transformation. It is given wood or plant. First formation is peat coal, then lignite, then bituminous coal, then anthracite coal. This is progressive change of wood to anthracite. Then this results in decrease in moisture content. That means in peat coal moisture content is more, while in anthracite coal moisture content is less. Then decrease in hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur content with corresponding rise in carbon content. That means in peat coal carbon, then carbon percentage is less, while percentage of hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen are more in peat coal, while in anthracite percentage of carbon are more, while percentage of hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur is less. Then decrease in volatile matter content, increase in calorific value. That means calorific value of anthracite coal is more than peat coal. Increase in hardness and density. That means anthracite, it is more harder than peat or lignite. Increase in black color intensity of coal. Peat coal and lignite coal, they are brownish in color, while anthracite, it is totally black. This is the formation of coal. Then classification and composition of coal. There are four types of coal: peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite. Percentage of carbon content is in peat coal 50 to 60% carbon, in lignite 60 to 70%. Calorific value of peat coal is 5400 kilocalorie per kg, while for lignite it is 6300 kilocalorie per kg. Then properties and uses are: for peat coal, it is low grade coal, it is brown fibrous. See the image, it is brown fibrous mass. It produces less heat but more smoke and ash. It is used as fuel. Second is lignite coal uses, it is brownish black. See the diagram. High moisture content, it burns easily with smoky long flame. Then it is used in power plants and steam rising. Then third type is bituminous coal. Carbon content is 75 to 80%. Calorific value is 8000 kilocalorie per kg. It is black hard coal. See the diagram. It burns with smoky flame and it is used as domestic fuel. Then last one is anthracite coal. Carbon content is 90 to 95%. Then calorific value is 8700 kilocalorie per kg. Highest calorific value in all type of coal is anthracite. Then properties and uses are: it is black. See the diagram, it is totally black coal. Lustrous and hard. It is superior quality coal. It produces minimum smoke. Then it is used in metallurgical operations. It is also used for making cathode in aluminium refining process. Then analysis of coal. There are two types of analysis conducted on coal. One is proximate and another is ultimate. What is proximate analysis? It is the determination of moisture Then volatile matter, fixed carbon and ash content in coal sample. While in ultimate analysis, it is estimation of percentage of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur and ash from coal sample. In next lecture, we will see the analysis, proximate and ultimate analysis in detail. Thank you.